Have you ever wondered how clothes are made in factories? Clothes are something we use every day, at home, at work, and in our daily life. Every single day, millions of garments are produced around the world, using modern machines and skilled factory workers. Behind every shirt or t-shirt, there is a long and detailed manufacturing process. In this video, we will take you inside a modern garment factory and show you the complete cloth making process, from raw material to the final packed garment. Raw material. Cloth production begins with raw materials. Most garments are made from cotton because it is soft, breathable, and comfortable to wear. Some clothes use polyester or blended fibers to improve strength, stretch, and durability. The raw material is carefully selected and cleaned to remove dust and impurities. High-quality raw material is very important because it decides how soft, strong, and long-lasting the final cloth will be. Yarn making, spinning. After cleanings, the fibers are converted into yarn. This process is called spinning. Large spinning machines twist the fibers together to form long, continuous threads. The thickness and strength of the yarn depend on the type of garment being produced. Strong and even yarn helps create fabric that does not tear easily and lasts longer during use. Fabric making. Next, the yarn is turned into fabric. For t-shirts and casual wear, knitting machines are used to create soft and stretchable fabric. For shirts and trousers, weaving machines are used to make stronger and more structured fabric. After this process, large rolls of fabric are produced and prepared for the next stage, dyeing and finishing. The fabric is then dyed to achieve different colors. Large industrial dyeing machines ensure that the color is evenly applied across the entire fabric. After dyeing, the fabric is washed to remove excess dye and then dried carefully. Special finishing treatments are applied to improve softness, reduce shrinkage, and increase durability. Now the fabric is ready for garment production. Design and pattern. Before cutting begins, designers create garment patterns. These patterns define the size, shape, and fitting of the cloth. Computer software is used to design accurate patterns for different sizes. This ensures that every garment looks the same and fits properly, no matter how many pieces are produced. Fabric cutting. Once patterns are ready, fabric cutting begins. Multiple layers of fabric are stacked together to save time and increase speed. Automatic cutting machines cut the fabric according to the pattern layout with high accuracy. This process reduces fabric waste and improves production efficiency. The cut pieces are now separated and sent to the stitching section. Stitching process. Now comes one of the most important steps. The stitching process. Different fabric pieces are sewn together using industrial sewing machines. Skilled workers carefully guide the fabric to ensure strong seams and clean stitching. Sleeves, collars, and hems are attached. During this stage, good stitching gives the garment its final shape, strength, and overall appearance. Printing and branding. Some garments go through printing and branding. Logos, designs, and graphics are printed using screen printing or heat press machines. Brand labels, size tags, and care instructions are also added. This step gives identity and brand value to the clothing. Finishing and ironing. After stitching and printing, garments move to finishing. Loose threads are trimmed, edges are checked, and small defects are corrected. Steam ironing machines are used to remove wrinkles and give the garment a clean, professional look. Quality control. Before packing, each garment goes through quality control inspection. Size, stitching, quality, fabric condition, and overall appearance are carefully checked. Garments that do not meet standards are repaired or rejected. Only approved garments move to the final stage. Packing and shipping. Finally, garments are folded neatly and packed into polybags or boxes. Each package is labeled and prepared for shipment. From here, the clothes are delivered to stores and customers around the world. This is how modern factories produce clothes efficiently, every single day.